Cooledge FABRICated Luminaires are simple to install and utilize standard industry tools and mounting methods. The surface mount versions of fabricated luminaires are available in a range of sizes, between nominal 4 foot by 4 foot or 1200 by 1200 millimeters to 6 foot by 9 foot or 1800 by 2700 millimeters. Product technical information is available on our website at cooledgelighting.com, including a detailed installation manual. During the installation procedure, you will need gloves, cable cutters, measuring tape, level, 4mm and 5mm hex keys, and 4 sawhorses. Use appropriate personal protective equipment to ensure your safety at work. Here are the important components of the fabricated luminaire. For installation, you have a suspension cable, cable gripper, and a hanger bracket. Power components are located on the power and control tray with a control module and a power supply. The mounting assembly includes a ceiling bracket that attaches to the stiffener. And finally, optional trim pieces for a clean finish. Install the power and control tray in a suitable remote location and run the DC cables to the luminaire. Now connect the AC power to the power supply. Electrical power connections should always be made by a qualified electrician. Unpack the luminaire and handling only on the edges, place it face down on the sawhorses at the corners, leaving the protective plastic attached. Measure between the suspension points or refer to Table 1 on page 11 of the installation guide document. The cables are only required to help lift the luminaire during installation and may be removed when complete. If suitable anchor points are available in the ceiling, use the suspension cables provided by attaching them and raising the luminaire. If not, the luminaire should be raised by lifting at each corner. Measure between the ceiling brackets or refer to Table 2 on page 12 of the installation guide document. Attach the mounting brackets to the ceiling using appropriate fasteners and ensuring structurally suitable attachment points are available. The position of the brackets is critical for correct mounting. Locate the grippers provided and use them to attach the cables to the hanger brackets on the luminaire. Raise the luminaire alternating from side to side until just below the ceiling level, leaving enough space to make the DC electrical connection to the luminaire. It's time to make the electrical connection on top of the luminaire using the DC cables you previously installed from the remote location. The power control tray type will vary depending on your region, luminaire size, and control protocol. For more details, please consult the documentation on our website. Now it's time to remove the protective plastic wrapping. Wearing your gloves, attach the luminaire to the ceiling brackets and tighten the fasteners. Be careful not to press on the fabric. Attach the trim pieces to each side of the luminaire. Once the sides are in place, attach the corner cover pieces. Once secured, apply power to the luminaire. Your Cooledge FABRICated Luminaire is now ready to deliver immersive illumination to your space.